Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tesla Live to Learn. So far we have discussed the time and distance aptitude concept and we have solved the previous year questions in previous lectures. So in this video also we are going to see some of the important problems for competitive examination. These questions are little bit tricky, so you must observe carefully and understand the statement of the question carefully. So let us go to example number 6. The question will be, Balu covers certain distance between home and office. If he travels with the speed of 30 km per hour, he will be late by 20 minutes. If he travels with 40 km per hour, he will reach 10 minutes early. Find the distance between home and office. So, understand the statement carefully. Let us consider that distance between home and office is x kilometers. I already told that units must be in same since speed is kilometer per hour, so we took x kilometers, and the time will be also in hours. If there are minutes, we must convert that into hours. Okay, and let us consider that actual time that he is supposed to be at the office is t. So if he travels with 30 kilometer per hour, he will be late by 20 minutes. So we use that statement and let us write down two relations. T is actual time that he is supposed to be there at office, and x kilometer is total distance between home and office. Okay, and in statement number 1, if he travels with 30 km per hour, he will be late by 20 minutes. So let us consider that time t1, that is equal to x kilometer by 30 km per hour. So time t is nothing but distance by speed. So t1 is x kilometer by 30. And what is the time t1? He is 20 minutes late. That is actual time plus how much time he took more, 20 minutes. If he is late, we must add that number of minutes to actual time. If he is early, we must subtract that minutes from actual time. In case 2, if he travels with 40 km per hour, he will reach 10 minutes early. Time t2 is nothing but 10 minutes early, no? So t minus 10 will be a relationship between t actual time t and t2. We use these four equations to solve that. So let us take difference between t1 and t2. t1 minus t2 is nothing but t plus 20 minus t plus 10. So that is 30 minutes. So since this is in minutes, we must convert this into hours. That is nothing but half an hour. So t1 minus t2 is half an hour. And what is t1? X kilometer by 30, and t2 is x kilometer by 40. We use this one. We substitute these two in this particular equation so that we can get x value. So x by 30 minus x by 40 is equal to half an hour. So 40x minus 30x by 40 into 30 is half an hour. So 10x is 40 into 30 by 2. So x is nothing but 60 kilometer. The answer is 60 kilometer. The distance between his home and office is 60 kilometer per hour. We did nothing, friends. We just took the difference between the time taken from case 1 and case 2. We just took time difference between case 1 and case 2 and we got this solution. And let us see one more example just like this. so that you can easily understand this kind of questions. Okay, so Tony is walking at speed of 20 km per hour, reaches his school by 30 minutes late. Next time, he increases his speed by 4 km per hour, but still he reaches late by 10 minutes. Find the distance between uh, time school and home. So let us consider that x kilometers is distance, t is actual time at which he is supposed to be there. Okay, that is t is actual time. So initial case 1, t1 is nothing but x kilometer by how much speed? 20 kilometer per hour. So t1 is nothing but actual time plus 30 minutes. Since he is late by 30 minutes, we must add that number of minutes to actual time. So what is t2? Here one statement. Next time he increases his speed by 4 km per hour. So he just increases his speed. 20 plus 4 will be 24 is his actual speed. So most of the people get confused and they'll put 4 kilometer per hour. So they will end up with wrong answer. So he increases his speed by 4 kilometer per hour. So what will be the speed to 24 kilometer per hour will be his speed to. So that time 2 is equal to distance x by 24 kilometer per hour. And what is the statement followed by this? He is still late by 10 minutes. So time t2 is equal to t plus 10. So we use these 4 equations and we'll take difference between time t1 and t2. So how much? T plus 30 minus t minus 10, that is 20 minutes. 20 minutes we must convert that into number of hours. 20 by 60, that is 1 by 3 hours. So t1 minus t2 is 1 by 3 hours. We use this particular relationship and we'll get the end answer. So what is t1? X by 20 minus x by 24 is 1 by 3 hours. So 24x minus 20x by 24 into 20 is 1 by 3. 4x is 24 into 20 by 1 by 3. Okay, if we cancel that, 8 4 ones are 4 twos are, so x value is 40 kilometers. This is the final answer. So I think you understood these two problems. We just took time difference between case 1 and case 2. But to get equations from case 1 and case 2, we must understand question properly and we should study the question carefully. So if he is late, we must add x number of minutes to actual time. If he is early, so earlier he was early by 10 minutes, no? So we just added 20 minutes when he was late, Balu was late. We just subtracted 10 minutes when Balu was early. In this particular case, Tony is late in both cases. So we just added x number of minutes for both cases. Okay. So we just took time difference between case 1 and case 2 and we solved the problem. You can solve it within 30 seconds if we solve more number of problems like this. So try to solve more number of problems like this, friends. This is very simple and important problem. Okay. If we solve more number of problems, you can directly come to this particular step. Okay, from this you can solve these values. Okay, since you are beginners, I did all these things. If you are familiar with this kind of problems, you can directly come to this particular step and you can get answer within 30 or 20 seconds. Thank you friends. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Tesla Live to Learn for more and more videos. This channel is exclusively for beginners, and please follow my videos and improve your aptitude skills. Thank you friends.